Understanding Simulation Benchmark. Enhance your English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing concept that bridges the worlds of technology and language. Simulation Benchmark. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or an English learner eager to expand your vocabulary, this video is crafted for you. Let's decode this term together, ensuring you grasp its meaning and can use it confidently in your conversations or writings. Simulation refers to the act of imitating or mimicking the operations or features of a real-world process, system, or environment. It's like creating a virtual model of reality to study or experiment with, without the risks or costs associated with real-world trials. Benchmark, on the other hand, is a standard or point of reference against which things can be compared or assessed. Think of it as a measure or criterion used to evaluate the quality or performance of something. When we combine these terms into simulation benchmark, we're talking about a method or process used to evaluate and compare the performance of simulations. This can involve comparing different simulation tools, techniques, or models to determine which best replicates the real-world scenario it aims to mimic. Simulation benchmarks are crucial in various fields, such as engineering, computer science, and even video game development. They help professionals and researchers ensure accuracy. By comparing simulations against benchmarks, developers can ensure their models accurately reflect real-world conditions. Improve performance. Benchmarks provide a target for optimization, helping developers fine-tune their simulations for better efficiency and effectiveness. Make informed decisions. With reliable benchmarks, companies and researchers can choose the most suitable tools and methods for their projects. To illustrate, let's look at a couple of examples. 1. Weather forecasting. Meteorologists use simulation benchmarks to evaluate different weather prediction models, ensuring the most accurate forecasts for the public. 2. Automobile safety. Car manufacturers utilize crash simulation benchmarks to assess the safety of their vehicles, comparing various designs and materials to find the best solutions. These examples show how simulation benchmarks play a pivotal role in enhancing safety, efficiency, and accuracy across diverse areas. And there you have it, a closer look at the term, simulation benchmark. It's a powerful concept that combines the precision of simulations with the evaluative power of benchmarks, driving progress in many of our world's most sophisticated fields. We hope this video has illuminated this fascinating topic for you and that you're now more comfortable using and understanding it in your English journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.